Hey, welcome back to our channel. Today let's create a vignette oil poster in Photoshop. First, duplicate the background layer by using Ctrl or Command J, Filter, Order, High Pass. Set radius at 2 pixels. Then confirm. Change blend mode to vivid light. Next, we'll create a stamp visible layer with Ctrl, Alt, Shift, E for Windows or Command, Option, Shift, E for the Mac. Head to Filter, Style, Oil Paint. These values will follow as below. Stylization 3, Cleanliness 10, Scale 10, Bridge to Detail 10, then OK. Move to Channel tab. If you don't see this channel, it may not turn on. Go to Window, click to Channels to turn it on. In this tab, we'll make the selection RGB channel. To do that, hold Ctrl and click to RGB channel. Simple. Move back to Layers tab, press Ctrl or Command C and Ctrl or Command V. Change to Vivid Light in Layer 3, which is the selection of RGB channel that we just copied. Next step, take the selection of Layer 3 again. Create a new layer. Fill this new layer in white with Ctrl or Command Delete and make sure background color is white. Change Normal mode to Soft Light in Blend mode. Reduce the opacity to around 80% in layer 4 and 3. Create a stamp visual layer again with Ctrl Shift Alt E or Command Shift Option E. Filter, Filter Gallery. Open a static folder and select Poster Edges. OK. Duplicate layer 5 with Ctrl J. Turn this copy layer into black and white with shortcut Ctrl Shift U or Command Shift U. Add another filter to this layer. Go to Filter, Filter Gallery. Open Style folder and choose Glowing Edges. You can adjust the options at your preference. As for me, I'll leave object width at 1, edge brightness 4 and smoothness 1. Change blend mode to screen after that. Remove the opacity to 80%. Create another new layer. Press Shift F5. In Contents, select 50% Grade. Then confirm. Filter, Noise, add noise. 20%. Distribution, Gaussian. OK. Choose Overlay in Blend mode and cut the percentage of opacity in half. Move to this texture layer that I have prepared. You can use your old texture that you think it suits your image, or you can download this stock in the link on the description for practicing. Now just copy it and paste on our project. Press Ctrl or Command T to expand the texture layer in full of the document. Change blend mode to Soft Light, and there you go. It looks great. Create a new layer. Press Ctrl or Command Delete to fill white to it. Change blend mode to Liney Burn. Head to Filter, Filter Gallery. Choose Texturizer in Texture folder. Drop down menu in Textures on right side and select Canvas. Then confirm. Reduce the opacity a bit. Let's add some contrast to this image. Create Curves Adjustment layer. Increase highlight and decrease shadow. Here you are. Enjoy! If you like Photoshop and photograph just like SADESIGN and you want to get more and more tips, techniques, experience from us, make sure to subscribe our channel to simply clicking the subscribe button, and you will get tons of free tutorials that SADESIGN share about Photoshop technique on a daily basis. See you guys in the following tutorial. Bye bye!